Are you prepared for an apocalypse? What about your family? In a world of uncertainties, it's vital to ensure our loved ones are equipped to face any eventuality, even an apocalypse. It's not just about personal survival, it's about ensuring our family, especially our little ones, can navigate such extreme circumstances. We're going to discuss the importance of family-specific survival strategies, from first aid to food supplies, shelters to safety items. So, brace yourselves, folks. Now let's dive into the comprehensive list of survival tips for families. First and foremost, we need to ensure our family's health in an emergency. A family first aid kit goes beyond the basics. It includes pediatric doses of essential medications, children's fever reducers, and supplies for common childhood injuries. Anticipating the unique needs of children is crucial, because when disaster strikes, the nearest pharmacy might as well be 1,000,000 miles away. So let's give ourselves the best chance to weather any storm. Remember, a well-stocked first aid kit is your first line of defense. Children have specific nutritional needs that we must consider. It's essential to stock up on baby formula and baby food to ensure the little ones get the right nutrients. For older children, vitamins can supplement their dietary needs. And let's not forget comfort food items. A familiar taste can do wonders to uplift their spirits in challenging times. Be it their favorite cereal or a much-loved candy bar, these can make all the difference. Feeding your child properly is crucial to their survival and well-being. Shelter is a basic human need, especially in an emergency. Imagine a tent, large enough to house your entire family, a cocoon against the unpredictable world outside. Now pair that with easy-to-assemble bedding like inflatable mattresses or sleeping pads. It's not just about physical protection, but also about creating a safe haven, a place where your family can gather, rest, and rejuvenate. Remember, in times of crisis, it's often the simple comforts that offer the greatest solace. A proper shelter can protect your family from the elements and provide a sense of security. Maintaining hygiene in an emergency is crucial. Baby wipes are not just for babies. They're a handy, water-saving way to keep clean. Diapers, of course, are a must for little ones. Feminine hygiene products are equally essential. Don't forget toiletries that cater to both adults and children. Toothpaste, soap, and shampoo should be on your list. And here's a tip. Travel-sized items can save space. Remember, cleanliness is next to healthiness, even in an apocalypse. Even in an apocalypse, we need to keep our spirits high. It's essential to pack small, lightweight items that will entertain children and provide comfort during stressful times. Simple things like compact games, coloring books with crayons, or a favorite storybook can make a world of difference. These items not only keep the young ones busy, but also help maintain a sense of normalcy, which is a powerful tool in unsettling circumstances. Remember, maintaining a sense of normalcy can help keep your family's morale high. We've covered a lot today, but these are just the basics. From comprehensive first aid kits to child-specific nutritional needs, we've walked through the essentials of family survival in an apocalypse scenario. We've highlighted the importance of a multi-person shelter, hygiene supplies for all ages, and even the role of entertainment and comfort items in maintaining normalcy amidst chaos. We've also underscored the necessity for appropriate clothing, footwear, and family documentation. Communication devices, water filtration systems, food supplies, child carriers, and emergency contact bracelets have been emphasized too. Not forgetting family-sized cooking supplies, solar chargers, thermal blankets, navigation tools, and personal safety items. Multi-purpose tools, extra keys, and adjustable backpacks have also been on our list. Remember, each of these items plays a crucial role in ensuring your family's survival. It's about more than just weathering the storm. It's about enabling your family to thrive, despite the circumstances. Remember, preparation is key. Stay safe and keep your family safe too.